This is Charmin Ultra Soft Bathroom Tissues, 24 mega rolls. Let's open the package. It said it's ultra soft, they don't lie. It does. It's soft and gentle on your skin. Like super good. I never feel like it's something like this. And let's see if it's still strong. Actually, it's pretty good. One thing I noticed that if you are pulling like this way, it's gonna be easier, very easy. But if you pull like this way, it's stronger, like 2 or 3 times stronger. And let's do a test to see how it absorbs the water. So I'm using twofold. So let's do like a half a spoon the water. It's more than half. It didn't go through. It's pretty good, but it's absorbed a lot of water in here. Another thing is that I want to compare it with Ultra Strong to see which one absorbs the water more. This one on my right hand side is Ultra Strong. Let's see how much water it can absorb. So I basically using the same amount of water, adding a little bit more, like this much. I think they're almost the same. So on my left hand side is Ultra Soft, the right hand side is Ultra Strong. And they got the same capable of the absorbing water. And let me see how strong it is. Now, yeah, the Ultra Strong is still stronger than the Ultra Soft. But they are very good to use to absorb the water. But definitely this one is more rough. And this one is super soft, super gentle. I like this one, especially you got kids and they need something like gentle like this. And they are very good to protect your skin and very comfortable and very capable for absorbing the water and keep the strength. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.